Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your down payment with Bank of America. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your down payment with Bank of America, begin by visiting the Bank of America website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. After logging in, navigate to the home page and find the section labeled Buying a Home. Select this option to explore available resources and tools. Next, click on Down Payment Assistance to learn about various programs. Review the eligibility requirements for down payment assistance options. Once you find a suitable program, click on Apply Now to start the application process. Fill in the required personal information accurately. Provide details about your income, employment, and financial status. When prompted, upload necessary documents such as pay stubs and bank statements. After submitting your application, wait for a confirmation email from Bank of America. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. If approved, follow any additional steps outlined in the confirmation email. Consider scheduling a consultation with a mortgage advisor for personalized assistance. Utilize Bank of America's budgeting tools to assess your financial readiness. Review your monthly budget to ensure you can manage mortgage payments comfortably. Finally, stay informed about your down payment protection options to secure your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.